Hey guys, you're welcome to NNW Tech Hub. So it's a place where you learn everything about technology. Today, I'm going to show you some 3 amazing applications that every Cameroonian needs to have installed in their phones. So these 3 applications will actually make your life so easy. If you are waiting and willing to know some of these applications, why not just go ahead, subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and don't forget to share this video with a friend because it may help somebody. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in and I will start talking about them. So the first application that we're going to talk about is actually called SwitchN. SwitchN is one application that is so amazing that every Cameroonian needs to have in their phone. This application will actually help you to be able to subscribe data bundles from different service providers to another service provider. For example, you can actually use your MTN mobile money to actually buy data for Orange SIM cards, Camtel SIM cards, and why not Yomi. Nextel for now is not yet available, so their codes are not yet available on SwitchN. But for those Nextel users, I think upgrades are coming up. So make sure that you download this app and then enjoy. If you have any question about this app, go ahead, leave it down in the comment section, or you visit my website and then write me a nice message and then I will respond and then guide you on how to use this application. So the next app that I want you guys to go ahead and then install on your phone is called NoPia. NoPia is actually a great service. I've been using it for some time, though they have little issues, but they are really good. So this app will actually enable you to be able to have virtual credit cards. So this virtual credit card can enable you to be able to do online transactions, make payments, and other things. And recently they have introduced another system where you can actually accept payments from your website, meaning you can actually add a NoPia code to your website and you are able to accept payments. With NoPia service, you can actually sell there. You can do just a lot of things. You can advertise and you can also pay bills and other things. So why not just go ahead, download this application and then thank me later. So the number 3rd app that I want you to go ahead and then search now and download is actually called Yellowcard. Yellowcard is used in some countries, but I want you guys in Cameroon to understand that Yellowcard is also used in Cameroon. So please make sure that you check in the link below to check my referral codes and use them before signing up on all these applications because they're going to help me to also make something little. So with Yellowcard, you're going to go ahead and then download it, and it's going to help you to be able to use mobile money, that is MTN mobile money, to buy Bitcoin. So this application is really good. It helps you to, rather than posting on your status BTC highly needed, you can just download this application and nobody will ever hear that you're a BTC trader. So you can just go ahead, download this application, you are able now to buy Bitcoin. And this app is actually good because you can actually buy Bitcoin and then send it to your Binance wallet or Coinbase wallet. So go ahead, download this application and then thank me later. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and don't forget that I'll be posting more of these videos on this channel like this. So if you have not subscribed, then you'll be losing all this great content. So go ahead, share this content with a friend, and don't forget, stay creative and make sure that you keep on learning. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.